Hi, welcome back to BS Developers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own project using Windows Forms. So you click Create New Project and click Windows Forms app. I'm going to name is Forms 1 and then create a project. So the first thing you want to do is click the View button and select Toolbox. So I'll be needing two text boxes. So I'm going to search text box, click it and drag it up here. So as I need another one, I'm going to I'm going to do the same thing. So as you can see, this is the properties bar. So I'm going to give it a name. Give this text box a name. So just click it, and I'm going to rename it as text txt1, and then click enter. So I'm going to write something in this text box. So I'm going to write name and then click enter. So now I'm going to click the other text box and rename it as txt2. We're not going to need to write something in this. So I need two buttons. So I'm going to select the toolbox, click the button option and drag it. So we're going to keep the button as it is and we're going to write something. We're going to write message, click enter, and we are going to do the same thing to the button too, except we are going to write exit in this. So after you select the message button, you need to click it twice. So it will open up something like this. So I'm going to write some code here. After I run the application, I'll explain the code to you. Make sure you've written exactly what I've written. So after you write this, click this window and click the exit button twice. So again, I'm going to write something. You'll have to write exactly what I write and then I'll explain it. So now we are going to run the application. Press start. So you're going to write your name here. I'm going to write Tom and then click the message button. So it just displayed out hello Tom. And when you click exit, it'll just exit out of the code. So now I'm going to explain the code to you. So when you click the message button, it will activate the click event, and after that it will execute this code. and the same thing goes to this button. After you click this button, it will activate the click event and it will execute the code. So now I'm going to explain. So we are going to ask the message box to show hello, and this is a space and the name we typed in this text box. As you can see, we named it as txt2. So this is also txt2, and when you click this button, it will activate the click event and it will execute this code, and it just exits out of the application. So now you made your first Windows app application. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.